from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Renault Scenic here, possibly a Grand Scenic because it is a big one. And it's on a 2010 plate. I'm just going to reset the spanner light as well as the service light on this. I'm going to show you how it's done. It is a very simple procedure. And I'll just show you what I mean. If you come in, now if I start the car up, now if you look right here, you've got the spanner warning light on. And then you'll get a service required as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset that light for both of them. The first thing first, I switch the ignition off. When I switch the ignition off, I press and hold this button for 10 seconds. Well, I didn't need to hold it for 10, but it's already on. All the lights are on. I then press these buttons here up and down. So if I press it up again, get to service required. So I'm just going to show you from the beginning. So if you're here, for instance, you get to service required, press and hold. Oops, I've got the wipers on. So I get to service required again. Right there. I then press and hold this button here till it flashes. I won't let go yet. Now as you can see, the service is done, the spanner light's gone. I let go of the button, so I've done that already. So then there's no messages memorized. So what I now do is start the car up, just double check, make sure there's no lights on. As you can see there as well, the spanner light's gone. Now if I press the wiper stalk button again, service in 12,500 miles and 14 months, which is good. That's it. That's all good. Right, that's all it was on this model. It is a Renault Scenic, possibly a Grand, on a 2010 plate, just doing the spanner light reset, service reset. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. There is a playlist for Renault. Do check that out. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.